this is a PC in the dark. It has some RGB nice lighting, and as you can see, it is pretty nice. So here we have 3 fans on the front like that. They are not programmable RGB, they just stick like this forever. And inside we can see we have a next fan at the back. We have our 16 gigabytes of RAM, 8 gigabytes each, and we have our AMD CPU cooler, which is not the RGB one. And we also have the motherboard, which is the Asus Turf Gaming. And we have a hard drive, which is 1 terabyte hard drive. We have a SSD M.2, which is I believe it is a 500 gigabyte SSD M.2, and also a 650 semi-modular power supply. So as you can see guys, it is pretty nice guys, trust me. And as I said, this is a budget PC. Like everything in this PC, including the case, every single thing, the Windows key and everything, it came up to around $760, which is pretty good for a budget PC. So let me know what you guys think. I'll leave the links to the parts down below. I also did some separate videos on the parts, talking about the parts individually, so you guys can go ahead and check that video also out. Now I'm gonna play some Fortnite and show you guys how it look while I'm playing Fortnite, show you guys my frame rate and all those stuff. So stay tuned for that guys, while we play some Fortnite and all those stuff. So this is, again, I would say it would be a $800 bill. I would say it has a Ryzen 5, the latest gen, which is I think 5600G, and it has a integrated graphics card, which is the Radeon Graphics card, which is not really much to be honest. But as you guys can see, we came out with a nice looking all white computer. Not all white, but you get the theme. And I'm gonna turn on the light so you guys can see it a little better. So the lights on, not the best lighting, but you guys can see it is really nice. And I'm gonna zoom in. You can see inside there, pretty nice guys. Not really a big epic build, but it has Wi-Fi. Also is a Wi-Fi antenna right here. My lighting is really bad guys, but just bear with me. So yeah, that's the PC build right there guys. Pretty nice, as I said, very budgety. One thing I realized though, a lot of people on the internet say that hey, this build costs you $800, but you see a graphics card that's in it which costs around $400. So the budget don't really add up. In this video, the budget definitely add up guys, trust me. So I'm gonna play some Fortnite and record it so you guys can see, and I'll be right back guys. So now we're gonna load up the Fortnite real quick. So I'm gonna open it right now. Let's see how fast it takes to open. Oh, it's opening already. That's pretty fast. Yeah, that's pretty fast guys. So yep, we're pretty much in. Yep, connecting. Yeah, we're in. So I'm gonna tell you guys, I don't think you can see it exactly on the screen, so I'm gonna tell you guys how many frames that I'm peaking at and what's my lowest frame while I'm playing, and watch my setting also. So let's find a duo real quick. One thing to note guys, I'm not really that good in Fortnite, so I'm just doing this to show you guys what this PC can do at this money. But I'm pretty sure if you add even a graphics card to this that is even 4 gigabytes or an 8 gigabyte graphics card, it will do so much better. But for now, graphics card prices are way up, so let's see what this can do. So now I'm in the lobby thing, and you can see I'm moving around. My highest frame at the moment is 73 and my lowest is 40. So it's 61 now, the highest. 70, 69. The lowest I see so far is 40. But so far it is doing so good, and reaction time is quick. I don't see any lags, not really. I don't see any lags, period. So let's try to fire some guns. Yeah, shots look good. So now this is the real game. So inside the real game, I'm in the bus now, and I'm getting 60 frames, over 60 frames. I'm peaking at 72, 70, 73. So let's jump early just to get to the point. So while I'm in the air, let's check out my settings real quick. So my settings that I'm using now is, the resolution is 1920 by 1080. The frame rate limit is unlimited I mean, and the quality preset is at medium, and the shadows is at medium, view distance medium, textures medium, pretty much everything else is on medium, guys. So I'm showing the frame rate, that doesn't really matter to be honest, but I realize if I turn this up a notch to like high, it starts to lag, but at medium it is pretty good. So let's play that medium for now, and then I'll show you guys what would happen if I put it at the highest peak. So let's just go and land here, I believe. Alright, we got a shield right here. Take that up real quick. Take this up. Let's go down. Oops. Hopefully we don't run into somebody as yet, but before we run into somebody, I'm currently having 62, 60, 58, and so on. So let me change my settings real quick. So I'm gonna change it to, let's see. Alright, let's turn up the quality to high to see. So this is at high, guys, and you can see I'm getting a lot of frame drops. I'm down to like 22, 23, 25, and so on frames per second. So if I turn it up to even higher to epic, so let's see, at epic I'm in the teens. I'm like 13 frames per second, 12 frames per second. Let's try to shoot. Yeah, it's pretty bad at epic. So I think the most comfortable spot would be medium, to be honest, and medium doesn't look that bad. So you can definitely work with medium. It is way better than a console, if you should say. Oh shoot, people are shooting off the... I hate this game, bro. I hate this game. I hate this game, guys. I hate this game. I hate this game. Where is his teammate? Yeah, so as you can see, I got bomb rush a while ago. The frame rate didn't drop to me. I wasn't really paying attention to the frame rate while I was fighting a while ago, but I didn't really see much of a difference while I was fighting, to be honest. I was surprised that I actually win that battle, because I was saying you guys gonna see how bad I'm at Fortnite. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it. As I said, if you add a graphics card to this thing, I'm pretty sure you'll be able to play games very much comfortably. But as I said, currently the graphics cards are way expensive. So as I said guys, that's pretty much it. Let's play until we die and see what would happen. Wait, can we take up these stuff like before? Ooh, we can. Ooh, this thing is back? Wait, what? I never know this thing came back. Wow. I haven't played Fortnite in a while, so understand with me, guys. A lot of these things are just so surprising to me because I haven't seen it in a while, or I haven't played it in a while, to say better yet. Ooh, wow, can even go through buildings and stuff. Oh, there's even animals in Fortnite now. But so far I'm using this right now, and I'm still getting 60 frames per second. Let's try to shoot the chicken. Yeah, so the chicken is, I can keep track of the chicken, which is pretty good. Yeah, that's pretty good, guys, to be honest. Let's try to heal real quick. Yeah, so you guys get the idea. That's pretty much it, guys. Let me know if this video was helpful. As I said, links to these parts will be down below, and also videos that I did on them, so you guys can go and check out those videos individually with me talking more about the parts. I'll also try to include a clip of me building the PC, but my camera died, so I didn't get much to do. But that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you reach this far in the video, you definitely like the content, so please consider subscribing to this channel. But until then, guys, I'll see you guys. When I see you guys, peace. Wait, let's end it with a death or something. Yeah, when I die, I will just quit. Oh shoot, wait, what? Who's this? Is this a bot? Seems like a bot to me. Ooh, wait. Take that. Why is she also that? Ooh, she respawned? What the fuck? That's weird. Let's see what else we can do. I wanna die so I can end this video, to be honest. So we're going into a match right now, I believe. Right here. Yeah, there's a building right there, guys. So then head towards that. What's this blinking right here? Oh, this car. Alright, so let's go towards this fight right here, where I know I'm gonna die the moment they speak. Oh yeah, I'm out. Oh wait, how do you place this shit? Do you guys know how to place this? How do you place this? Oh shoot. Oh yeah, guys, that's it. I'm out. Peace.